Welcome to Review Lab. The best ombre brush is probably one of the most exciting tools to hit the beauty market in years. Today, we're diving deep into the world of this amazing brush, exploring its features, and helping you decide if it's the right fit for your makeup routine. We'll cover everything from its unique design to its performance, so you can make an informed decision and achieve that perfect, blended look. Number 5. SAVILAND 6PCS Nail Art Brushes Set. Introducing the SAVILAND 6PCS Nail Art Brushes Set. This set has everything you need to create stunning nail designs. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. This set includes various brushes for different nail art techniques. You can use them with UV gels, extension gels, and builder gels. It allows you to create 3D patterns, flowers, and more. These brushes are made with high-quality materials for a comfortable experience. The ergonomic handles and smooth nylon hair make it easy to create beautiful nail art. You'll love using them. The SAVILAND set comes in a beautiful gift box. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves nail art. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. Before using, soak the brushes in hot water to remove the sealing wax. Clean them immediately after each use. If you have any questions, customer service is always available to help. Enjoy your shopping. What we like. This set is a true all-rounder, perfect for any nail art enthusiast. It offers a variety of brushes for different techniques, from intricate designs to extensions. If you're a beginner or a pro looking for versatility, you should consider this set. What people say. Both ends are sturdy and well-shaped, which makes it easy to create clean lines, fine details, and smooth edges. The bristles stay in shape, clean up easily, and the set gives you everything you need to slay your nail game at home. Each brush came in its own clear plastic storage tube to keep it safe from any damage. Various brush thicknesses and shapes. Double-ended with dotting tools of different sizes on opposite ends to brushes. Number 4. SILPECWEE 3PCS Acrylic Nail Brush Set. Introducing the perfect set for your nail art needs. This 3-piece set includes professional acrylic nail painting brushes, ideal for creating stunning ombre, sponge, and gradient effects. It's a must-have for any nail enthusiast. These versatile nail brushes are designed with advanced nylon hair, allowing you to create beautiful ombre and fade effects. You can also use it for drawing flowers and applying UV gel. The possibilities are endless with this tool. Each brush tip is protected by a separate straight tube, preventing forking and ensuring vivid color application. This set is made to last, providing you with durable and reliable tools for all your nail art projects. Cleaning the brushes is a breeze. Simply use alcohol or acetone to effortlessly remove any residue. This makes it easy to maintain the brushes and keep them in top condition for your next design. Whether you're a nail specialist or a beginner, this set is perfect for you. It's designed to help you achieve professional-looking results, making it a great addition to any nail art kit. What we like. This brush set is designed to create stunning ombre effects with ease. The high-quality bristles ensure smooth blending, and cleaning is a breeze. If you are looking for professional-looking results without the fuss, you should consider it. What people say. The UV Gel Nail Ombre Brush is perfect for creating seamless gradients. Love these brushes. I have been struggling to get a decent ombre with my nails, and these brushes are a game changer. Took little to no effort to get great blended results. The angled brush is the perfect size and stiffness for cleaning up overpainting in the cuticle area. Number 3. BQAN Ombre Brush for Gel Nails. This is the perfect brush for creating a stunning ombre gradient effect with gel polish. It helps you achieve a professional look with ease. Each brush is individually handcrafted with care. The rhinestone handle adds a touch of elegance, sparkling beautifully in the light. Cleaning this brush is simple. You can use alcohol or acetone to effortlessly remove any gel polish residue, keeping it in top condition. The brush features nylon hair bristles with varying densities. This design allows for seamless blending of gel products, creating a perfect ombre effect. Whether you're a professional nail artist or enjoy DIY nail art at home, this is a great choice. It also makes a wonderful gift for your girlfriend or daughter. What we like. This brush is perfect for creating a flawless ombre gradient. The rhinestone handle adds a touch of elegance, and the nylon hair ensures a smooth application. If you like a touch of luxury in your nail art tools, you should consider this one. What people say. It blends colors smoothly and evenly, making ombre designs look flawless every time. Works incredibly smoothly, has a nice weight for control and consistency. Makes drip, ombre, and fade effects easier. Number 2. LWBTOSEE Nail Art Brush Set. These brushes are made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability for everyday use. They are designed to help you create beautiful nail art designs with ease. Each brush comes with a clear acrylic tube for protection. This makes them easy to handle and operate, whether you're a beginner or a professional. This set is specially designed for detailed nail art tasks. It is perfect for painting, drawing, and creating intricate designs on your nails. This brush set is perfect for professional nail salons. It's also a great tool for anyone who loves doing their own makeup and nail art at home. The package includes 2 ombre brushes and a set of liner brushes. Remember to clean the brushes after each use to maintain their quality. What we like. This brush is crafted from high-quality materials and is designed for detailed nail art. The protective tube makes it easy to handle and operate. If you need a brush for intricate designs and detailing, you should consider this one. What people say. The brush is very soft and easy to use. It blends the colors beautifully. The bristles are of good quality. Number 1. SAVILAND 2 PCS Ombre Nail Brush Kit. This reusable ombre nail brush set from SAVILAND is perfect for creating stunning gradient effects. It's easy to use, allowing you to quickly achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. The kit includes 2 silicone brushes, a nail art palette, and cleaning pads. This versatile set is suitable for both beginners and professionals, helping them create various nail art designs. With this brush, you can easily apply chrome nail powder for a flawless mirror effect. The design ensures a smooth and even application, giving your nails a professional finish. The beveled head brush is also great for creating French manicures and transferring images. It efficiently picks up images, ensuring precise and beautiful designs every time. Made from high-quality silicone, this brush is designed for repeated use. Its smooth surface and flexibility make it easy to create various DIY nail art designs, and it's easy to clean. The finger-shaped beveled silicone brush heads are easy to clean and durable. The comfortable handle ensures optimal control, making nail design effortless. What we like. This brush is perfect for creating mirror effects and gradients. The silicone head is reusable and easy to clean. If you are looking for a brush that is easy to use and maintain, you should consider it. What people say. The brush is very soft and easy to use. It blends the colors seamlessly. The bristles are of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.